A tropical storm along the New Jersey coast could dump up to 7 inches of rain and 60-mile-per-hour winds across the northern part of the mid-Atlantic this evening. The National Hurricane Center says heavier rain could result in flash flooding, and we've actually seen a few places announce that. Joining us now is our own meteorologist, Bill Karins. So, Bill, how bad is this going to be for an area that doesn't see these kinds of winds very often?
I know, it's amazing, right? A tropical storm warning for New York City doesn't happen all that often, especially since it's going to go right over the top of it. But thankfully, this is a lower-end, weaker tropical storm, and it's actually moving at a decent clip, so we don't have to worry about like horrific flooding. And actually, a lot of the Northeast New England's been in a drought this summer, so in some areas, this will actually be a welcomed rain. But there will be minor problems. With any tropical storm, you're going to have issues. We have got beach closures because of rip currents and everything else. Let me show you some of the pictures from Atlantic City, and this is where we're going to see the landfall. I say landfall, you think of a landfall is normally like a big hurricane. Even tropical storms get landfall. All landfall means is that the center of the storm is crossing land, and that's where it's going to happen in about the next hour, right over the top of Atlantic City. They've had gusts to 30 to 40 mile-per-hour winds. It really hasn't been all that bad. Some areas have gotten 2 to 3 inches of rain. We've had minor overwash on some of the beach communities along the Jersey Shore. So I think the worst part for the Jersey Shore, just the lost revenue from a summer beach day is going to be about the worst of it there. So let's get into some of the stats. This is the 2 o'clock update from the National Hurricane Center, and they did actually find 60-mile-per-hour winds. Now, that was over the ocean, and we're waiting to see if any of that translates and moves on shore as we go throughout the afternoon and the evening along the Jersey Shore, Long Island, and possibly towards New York City. It's moving north at 12 miles per hour, and that faster movement gets everyone in and out of the rain quicker. The slow-moving storms are the ones that give us like the epic rainfall total. So here's the track of the storm. By about 8 p.m. this evening, just south of New York City. Notice by Saturday morning, it's all the way up north of the Capital District, heading up into areas of northern New England. So it's only going to last in most areas about 12 hours or so, and then it's going to be gone. And then by Saturday evening, it's gone and it weakened significantly up into Canada. So we still have tropical storm warnings. As again, rip currents, dangerous beach day. I'm sure the lifeguards have closed most of the beaches in those areas. We still could get minor flooding with areas that get hit hard with the rain. I think the Catskills are one of those spots this morning, and rainfall totals, as we said, up to about 7 inches isolated, widespread 1 to 3. It's amazing, Chuck, that this is already our F-named storm. This is our 5th storm of the season. Typically, we don't get that until September.
Trust me, I think about it all the time. Hurricane Andrew with an A was in late August, and it's already mid-July, and we're at F. That's some scary stuff. Bill Karins, thank you.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.